What's the world's most perfect food invention? The wheel, please? The printing press? Debatable. I'm voting for the dumpling. Think about it. For 2,000 years, across every continent, humanity has independently come to the same glorious conclusion. Wrap the good stuff in dough. Today, we're making what I call the triple threat dumpling. A juicy lamb and carrot filling infused with a secret spiced broth, wrapped in a stunning beet dough and finished with a crispy, lacy skirt that looks like stained glass. It sounds fancy. It is. But the process is pure, satisfying fun. Let's break it down. Step 1. The secret broth, the flavor hack. We start with flavor from the inside out. In a pot, simmer 1 cup of water with a tablespoon of peppercorns, a cinnamon stick, 2-star anise, and 2 bay leaves for 15 minutes. Strain it. This isn't water anymore. It's liquid spice. Let it cool completely. This is our cheat code for deep flavor. Step 2. The sticky meat method. The science. Grab a big bowl and 1 pound of ground lamb. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now attack it with chopsticks or a fork. Stir in one direction only for a full 3 to 4 minutes until it's sticky, pale, and weirdly paste-like. This develops proteins called myosin. It's the secret to a bouncy, juicy, cohesive filling that won't fall apart. Trust the weirdness. Step 3. The invisible vegetable puree. While your broth cools, roughly chop 1 cup of carrot and half an onion. Toss them in a blender. Pour in that cooled, fragrant broth. Blitz until smooth. This orange puree guarantees every bite is perfectly moist and seasoned with no chunks to tear your wrapper. Pour it all into the sticky lamb. Add a teaspoon of salt, some pepper, and mix it in one direction until it's one glorious, unified filling. Refrigerate it. Cold filling equals easy wrapping. Step 4. The artisan beet wrapper. For our show-stopping color, we're using pre-made beet dough. Roll it into a long rope. Cut it into 28 to 32 little pieces. Roll each into a ball, then flatten with your palm. Now, with a rolling pin, roll each disc into a thin 3.5-inch circle, keeping the center slightly thicker than the edges. Keep them under a damp towel. Step 5. The fill and fold. Assembly line time. Scoop 1 tablespoon of the cold filling into a wrapper's center. Wet the edges with water. Now, the fold. You can do the classic pleat, pinching as you go, or just firmly press the edges together for a simple half moon. As long as it's sealed, it's perfect. My first dumplings looked like sad, overstuffed pillows. They still tasted incredible. Step 6. The crispy, lacy skirt, the grand finale. This is the magic trick. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick skillet. Place dumplings in, flat side down. Don't crowd them. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the bottoms are a deep golden brown. Ready? Mix 1/3 cup of water with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This is the key to the lace. Carefully pour it into the hot pan. It will sizzle like crazy and immediately cover with a lid. Reduce heat to medium. Let it steam for 8 to 10 minutes. When the water is mostly gone, remove the lid. Let the last moisture cook off. You'll see a delicate, lacy golden web forming. Cook another 1 to 2 minutes until it's crisp. Then, the flip. Place a plate over the pan. Take a deep breath and invert with confidence. Reveal your masterpiece. You've just made more than food. You've made history. A little bundle of joy wrapped in dough, just like someone did 2 millennia ago. Except yours has a beet wrapper and a crispy lace skirt. I'd call that progress. Enjoy.